Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So I thought I'd get outside and do a pocket dump for you, show you everything that's going on the inside of my pockets, as well as what I'm carrying on my person. It is the first week of May here in New England, and it is absolutely gorgeous outside. The trees are turning green, the birds are happy, and the fish are biting. It is a consistent 70-ish degrees during the day and 50 degrees during the nighttime. Absolutely perfect sleeping weather, as well as perfectly comfortable during the day. I love it. I can't get outside enough this time of year, and that's exactly where we're at right now. We're on my tailgate, and I thought I would show you everything that's going on the inside of my pockets. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with my Pixel watch here. This is the Pixel 3. This is the 45 millimeter. I have it in the rugged armor case and band here. That makes it look like a G-Shock, and it pairs very well to my Pixel 8a phone, which I'm actually recording on right now. So I'm absolutely loving the Pixel watch. Definitely check that out if you have a Pixel phone or an Android phone. So the next item is going to be my hat. This is an item that I never leave home without. This is kind of like a security blanket for me. This hat here actually has seen some shit. I've had it for a couple of years now, and you'd be surprised to know that I have actually recently washed it. It just looks very well worn and kind of on the grummy side. It looks, but still, I love this hat, and don't leave home without it. So that is my Milwaukee hat. So the next item is going to be my backup blade. This is the Civivi Baby Banter fixed blade. I have an affection for carrying around a fixed blade knife lately. And in reality, this has been riding around in my fifth pocket. And really the handle up along with the paracord here is the only thing that's sticking out of my fifth pocket. And it's very comfortable to carry and very easy to grab. So that is the Civivi Baby Banter fixed blade. Next item that I've been carrying is my main blade, and this time it is the Kershaw Mini Aridium D2 blade steel, 3-inch blade, aluminum handles, and probably my first Kershaw that I've purchased in 2 or 3 years, and definitely does not disappoint. It has the Duralock or the access lock, very snappy, very slicey from the factory. Love this knife here. But this is the last time I'm going to be carrying it for a little while. I'm going to be trading it out today with the SRM Asika 411L-MG. This is one that they sent me for review, and I'm looking forward to carrying it. It has green micarta scales, 14C28N blade steel, a 3.46-inch blade, and weighing in at 2.94 ounces. I can't wait to carry this knife. It's a little bit bigger than what I've been carrying, but still not that much bigger. And I'll be doing a review on that in a week's time or so. So I had to put my hat on because of bugs, and well, I need to make more room for items that I carry around in my pockets. Apparently I carry around a lot of stuff. But next item is going to be the Tozo earbuds here. I'm going to make the claim that these are almost every bit as good as Apple's earbuds. They have active noise cancellation. They have pass-through listening. I will never go back again with another pair of earbuds that don't have those two features. And the sound quality of these are absolutely amazing. Type-C charging. I will leave a link down in the description for these right there, so you can check those out for yourself. Next couple items are some handmade leather goods that were sent into the channel by channel friend Andy. Andy sent these in, and I have not been able to get these out of my pockets since. I absolutely love carrying these items, so make sure you check out his store. I will leave a link down in the description so you can check that out. Another handmade leather item. This one was made by the Lifetime Leather Company, and this is the pocket notebook. Absolutely love carrying around this. And to accompany it, I have the Big Idea Design bolt action pen here. They pair very well, and one of my concerns was carrying around this pocket notebook in my pocket with this little loop here, and it really does not get in the way, so check that out. That is the Lifetime Leather Company. So the last item that I've been carrying around is the Olight Warrior Mini 2. I absolutely love this flashlight. It's very powerful, great light for walking at night. It I believe is 1300 lumens, and we have a side switch as well as a tactical tail switch. And I can't remember if they sent this into the channel or I purchased this, so we're going to assume that they sent this into the channel. That way we don't get into trouble with the FCC or the FTC or the YouTube overlords. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description for Olight, and again, that way we are in compliance. But that's actually going to be the last time I'm carrying it for a while. I'm going to be replacing it with another item that was sent into the channel, and I actually just got this out of my mailbox today, and this has never been seen before. This is the Wuben X4, and it has yet to go into Kickstarter, but it is scheduled to go into Kickstarter this month. And it's a 1500 lumen flashlight. We have the cob light on the side here, as well as a very powerful front light. We have a very nice strong pocket clip, as well as a magnetic tail. But one thing that I need to point out is it actually has a removable battery. That's a awesome move on Wuben's part. This is an 18650 3400 milliamp battery. Can't wait to try this out and test it out for you folks, and I'll be giving you a review on this very shortly. But looking forward to carrying around this item. So that is what I've been carrying, what I plan on carrying for quite some time. And I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you next time.